Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into Ableton Live 12 and I'll show you how to make your own drum patterns from scratch. Whether you're producing hip-hop, EDM, or pop, this guide will help you get started fast. Let's jump in. First is open your Ableton app. To make a drum beat first is go to Packs. In the Packs, find the core library and unfold it. Find samples and unfold it. Go to One Shot and unfold it. Find kick and unfold it. Now you can choose what drum beat you want to use. For example, you already chose what beat you want to use. Click MIDI and drag the beat in the lower part of the app that says drag an instrument or sample here. Create a 4-bar long MIDI clip, right-click it, and select Insert Empty MIDI Clip. Now here you will choose what key your beat gonna sounds like. After choosing, double-click it, and that's how you build your own drums in Ableton Live 12. Whether you're just getting started or looking to upgrade your beat game, the drum rack is a super powerful tool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this. See you next time. Happy producing!